a giant leap toward the future of Indonesia's automotive industry. Introducing PTJIO as the strategic partner of BAIC in Indonesia. A historic milestone has been born. The first assembly production of the BJ40PLUS from an Indonesian factory. Precision in every detail. Perfection crafted, built to exceed expectations. Rigorous testing. Flawless performance. Our standard, uncompromising quality. Your satisfaction. Our mission. This is just the beginning. Together, let's build the future of Indonesia's automotive industry. Built with pride in Indonesia.
BAIC, always be with you.